Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can hide your best Instagram moments from anyone. Please subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to put likes and write comments. So, let's get down to our topic. First of all, please open the Instagram app. And next, I'm going to show you how you can hide your stories. These are the saved ones. To do that, you'll need to first of all find the person you'd like to hide them from. You can do that through stories, like swiping if you're subscribed to that person. Either through the feed or through the search bar. And you can also find the person if you've interacted with them at some point by going through the correspondence. So, let's say you found the person you want to hide your stories from. So what you're gonna do is, when you go to their page, at the top you click on the three dots. Next, you select the very first option, which is Restrict. Next, you agree. And instantly that person will be restricted from your page. And they won't be able to see your favorite stories. If at any point you want to unblock the person so that they can see your stories, then you'll also need to click on the three dots when you go to that person's page and select the first option, Unblock, as well. Actually, friends, that's the end of it. That's the very simple way that you'll be able to hide your favorite Instagram moments from someone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please put your likes, write comments, and subscribe to our channel. See you soon, friends.